Hello friends and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. In this channel we are going to discuss everything about homeopathy, homeopathic medicine, homeopathic treatment, homeopathic books, materia medica, organon, repertory, rubrics, etc. etc. I am Dr. Samina and this is my channel. Please share, like, follow us and comment if you like the video. Turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates on our channel. Follow us on Instagram at HomeoClinic. So without doing further ado, let's get started with the video. Today we are going to discuss what is Schirmer'S test. In my previous video about crocodile tear syndrome, the diagnosis was made depending upon the Schirmer'S test. So here is a picture of how the Schirmer'S test is done. A filter paper is inserted into the inferior fornix of the eye and the tears are measured. Now, it is also called as tear test, tearing test, dry eye test and basal secretion test. Before doing the test, we have to know the procedure in advance. So, the procedure that is followed can be guessed by seeing the previous picture. So, as we have seen in the picture, we will need some paper strips. Those are normal filter paper strips. So these filter paper strips are inserted into the eye for several minutes, 5 minutes to be particular, and the production of tears is measured. As you can see in the picture, the insertion can be done by various techniques. However, people who use contact lenses on daily basis should remove the contact lenses 4 to 5 hours before doing the test. Both eyes are tested at the same time. The simultaneously testing is very important as it depends upon the measurement of moisture that is absorbed by either eye. Small strip of filter paper is placed in lower eyelid, inferior fornix, and the eyes are closed for 5 minutes. And then the filter paper is removed and the moisture is measured. Now the moisture from the paper is measured using a normal scale. So a young person normally moistens the paper about 15 millimeter of that strip. While, as we know, when people age, the hypolacrimation starts and it is normal for the elderly people to wet only 10 mm in 5 minutes. Almost 33% of normal elderly people wet only 10 millimeters of paper in 5 minutes. So the moistening also depends upon the age of the patient. So when can we expect our ophthalmologist to do this test? So when to do this test and why do we do this test? So primarily this test is done for 4 reasons why the test is done. However, the ophthalmologist can suggest the test for various other reasons too. The first reason is dry eyes. If we experience a lot of dryness in the eye, then we have to measure the moisture in the eye. That is the primary thing. Second is just the opposite of dry eyes, increased lacrimation or increased tearing in the eye. So if we get a lot of tears in the eye or if we have allergies in the eye which causes increased lacrimation, we can go and do this test. Third reason can be chronic irritation of the eye. Again, due to some allergies, dust allergies, we may have irritation in the eye and our ophthalmologist can suggest us to do this test. Redness in the eye is another reason to do this test. So finally, we have learned everything about Schirmer'S test. Please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell notification and thanks for watching.